What's the meaning of Albania? Albania. 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 Albania.
Albania is a country located in southeastern Europe on the Balkan Peninsula. The name Albania comes from an ancient tribe called the Albanoi who lived in the region during the Roman era. The country gained independence in 1912 after being ruled by the Ottoman Empire for over 500 years. Albania is known for its beautiful beaches, mountains, and preserved historical sites. The official language is Albanian and the majority of the population practices Islam. Albania is also a member of NATO and the United Nations.